Okay, the question out here is you have been given this triangle ABC, and you need to find out, and this BCFD is a parallelogram, isn't it? So the other constraint is AD is to DB is 4 is to 5. EF is 15 centimeters, and that's anyway marked out here. So we have to find the things that have been given, that is AE is to EC, this ratio, DE and BC. So the first thing that you can do is we try to establish congruency here. Like we can use the concept of congruency for the two triangles, namely ADE and ECF. See, BPT I will not be using, so I'll use the other one, that is congruency. So if you see, look here, I'm marking VOA, isn't it? Vertically opposite angles. And because it's a parallelogram and because BD is parallel to CF, yeah, so BD is parallel to BA, I can say, because the extension of that is BA, isn't it? D lies on AB, BTA are collinear. So BA is parallel to CF. So that's why, because BA is parallel to CF, interior alternate angles, right? Interior alternate angles. So if you can see, your A is here and the F is here, no? So this angle will be equal to this angle. I'm marking it in the diagram, main diagram as well. See here, this angle will be equal to this angle, the Z formation. Not this, this angle. Just remark it, wait. This angle will be equal to this angle, that is this angle, C. Yeah, now it's fine. That is, if you're going to look at it this way, see, this is A and this is C, isn't it? These two angles are equal. The Z formation, I marked it here. You can see, isn't it? So now, what next? Because two angles are equal, I can say, so we can say angle DAE, angle DAE is equal to angle FCE, yeah, because of interior alternate angles, isn't it? So, and then we have, because of VOA, we have here at E, both the angles are equal, isn't it? See that. So, what can we infer? So, because of this, I can infer that both the triangles are similar. Similarity can be established. Yeah. So, I can establish similarity across both the triangles. So, see, this angles are equal and these two angles are equal. So, once I establish similarity, what can I say? Look here, triangle ADE, is similar to, now A is going with C, isn't it? Because A and C angles are equal, the vertex angles. So, vertex A coincides with vertex C, ADE. And what goes with E? E itself, right? So, it is CFE. So, like you can visualize, if you rotate this second triangle, that is triangle CFE, the C will go and sit on A, and E will go and E will sit on E itself, that's the vertex, that's the fulcrum, and F will sit on D. You can visualize that, isn't it? So, if I'm going to redraw them, it will be like this. So, this is E, A, D, and because after rotating that triangle CFE, I will get C, and this is E itself, and this will be F. Yeah, you can see I've rotated this. So, the corresponding angles will be equal, right? Okay, and this is E itself. They are similar. Once they are similar, because of CPST, because once the two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides will be proportional. So corresponding parts of similar triangles. So we can say that, I can say AE by EC, okay, AE by EC or CE for that matter, whichever way, AE by EC will be equal to EC same as CE, right? EC and CE are same. It's CE is, I can say CE or I can even say EC. Okay, so AE by EC will be equal to what? AD by CF. Okay, now you go back to the what is given in the question. AD is to DB is 4:5. What is DB? DB is equal to CF. Yes, so I can write AD by DB. Why? Because DB and CF are equal, opposite sides of the parallelogram. It's given, isn't it? That BCFD is a parallelogram. This one, yeah. So it's given in the question, yeah, that it's a parallelogram. It's marked also. The arrows will indicate everything. Opposite sides are parallel. So because of this, we can say AE by EC is AD by CF, which is AD by DB, because CF is same as DB. So what is it? It will be 4/5. So we found the answer to solution to the first part, that is AE by EC. AE by EC will be same as AD by CF, so which is same as AD by DB. Okay, next is DE. How to find out DE? Okay. Okay, next is we have to find DE. Okay, so again, because the two triangles are similar, I'll take it from there because of CPST. What can I assume? AD by DB or AD by DB is 4/5. DB is same as CF, isn't it? AD by CF is equal to 4/5, and AD by CF will also be equal to what? AD by CF will be equal to, it will be equal to DE by EF. Yes, because of CPST. The two triangles are similar, isn't it? So it's like side AD coincides with CF when you rotate and make it sit, right? So C will sit on A, F will sit on D. That's what happens, isn't it? So so DE will coincide with EF. Okay, DE will come and sit on EF, side DE. So that's why we have this. And we already know what is EF, isn't it? So just this EF is, what is this EF? It is 1.5, 15 centimeters, sorry. So 4/5 is DE by 15. So if you cross multiply, 4 into 15/5 is DE. So 12 is equal to DE. That is, DE is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. So that's what we have found out. DE will be equal to 12 centimeters. I'll just mark it here also now that we have found this out. So we have up till here. D is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, D is equal to 12 centimeters. I've just redrawn the figure for you. And EF is 15 centimeters, isn't it? Just add them because DEF are collinear. It's a straight line. So what is DF? It will be 12 plus 15, which is 27 centimeters. So what is BC? BC is equal to DF, opposite sides of a parallelogram, isn't it? So they will be equal. They'll be parallel and equal. So BC will be equal to DF. BC will be 27 centimeters. So that's it. Okay. So we have not see we could have used BPT, but we haven't used that. Without BPT, we have used the concept of similarity of triangles, and we have found this out. I hope the explanation up till here helps.